In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log into your Canva account. So first of all, you need a web browser. I have my Google Chrome open here, and on the search bar, you're going to search for canva.com. And once you search in, this link should pop up and just click on it. This will take you to the home page of Canva. And once you're in the home page, you can see there is a big login button right here, and if you are a new user, you can sign up for it from here. But this video is about logging in, so we're gonna click on login. Here you can see the options from where you can log in. You can use your Google account, your Facebook account, or your email. If you have logged in any other way, you can click on more account another way, and here you can find many other options like your mobile phone, your work email, your email, or with your Clever account, your Microsoft account, so even your Apple ID. I have logged in using Google, so I'm just going to click on continue with Google. And I'm just going to choose my account right here. And once I've chosen my account, I'm just going to click on continue, and this will take me directly to the home page where I'm logged in. So as you can see, I'm logged into the Canva now, and I can make whatever designs or templates I want from here. And yeah, that's how you can easily log into your Canva account. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.